How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm your computer teacher. Today we are going to start your computer chapter number 9, Draw and Paint. We have learned about paint in your first class also. Now we are going to discuss again Draw and Paint. What is paint? How to open paint program, knowing tool, coloring tool, how to make a beautiful drawing using different tool of the paint program. Before that, first I will tell you what is paint. Paint is a software application used for drawing and coloring a picture on the drawing area. As we are creating a drawing on paper with the help of pencil, eraser and colors. In the same way, if you want to create a beautiful drawing in the computer, for that we are using paint program. In computer we use the paint program to make our drawing with the help of different tools like pencil, eraser, brush, color box. We can make a beautiful drawing with the help of these tools. All these tools are given in the paint program. Now again we'll start your chapter. What is paint? Paint is as I said, paint is a drawing and coloring program in MS Windows. Paint is a coloring and drawing program. What does it mean? Basically paint is used to draw and color picture in the MS Windows. That's why paint is a drawing and coloring program in MS Windows. It helps us to draw and color just the way you do on your drawing sheet. As you are creating your drawing on the drawing sheet, in the same way if you want to create a drawing on the computer, for that we are using MS Paint software application. Now how to open MS Paint? How to open MS Paint? Click on the window given in your keyboard. You can see different keys are given on the keyboard. One of the key given over there, that is a window key, or you can say that start button. Click on that button. After clicking, click on the search box. In the search box you have to type paint. You have to write here paint. After typing paint, press enter key. Window MS Paint get open or started in front of you. Again I will tell you how to open paint program. Click on the window key given in your keyboard, then click on the search bar. In the search bar you have to type paint. After typing paint, press enter key. Paint get open in front of you. Now come back to the point. I think all of you clear how to open a paint program. Now paint window will look like this. When you open a window, paint window look like this after opening. Now you can see here in paint, topmost bar where it display the name of the program, that is your title bar, and this area where different groups are given over there and tabs are given over there, that is called the ribbon. That is called ribbon. And this is called the size button. This is called the size button. And this is called the shapes group. Where my cursor is there, you can see here. This is called shape group. And this is brushes. And this is color palette, or you can say that color group also. Now this is tool group. Your tools, panel. Both are the correct. And this is your drawing area where we create a beautiful drawing. That area is called the drawing area. And this button is known as save button. This button is known as save button. Again I am telling you, paint contains 5 groups with the name of clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group and colors group. Different groups contain different tools. In color box it will contain different color for fill the color in your drawing. Size group contain different thickness line or thickness for your tool. Shape group contain different shapes which you can draw on the drawing area. Brushes contain different brushes and tools group different tools inside it. In the same way, image group contain different commands and the tool inside it. Clipboard contain different commands inside it. Now we are going to start. Next topic is your, as I said, next is your, I think all of you clear how to, what is Paint and how to open a Paint program. Now next is, I have different tool like this. Image, in image we have select tool, in tools group pencil tool, and here pencil tool, magnifier tool, magnifier, fill with color, text tool, eraser, color picker tool or eyedropper tool. Now next is magnifier. Now first, here we are going to discuss pencil tool. To make a beautiful drawing or for freehand drawing, we are using pencil tool. Fill with color tool, to fill the color in the shape or drawing, we are using fill with color tool. Text tool, if you want to write any message in the drawing or any title, for that we are using text tool. For writing purpose, we are using text tool. If you want to write your name or your class name, for that we are using text tool. Eraser tool, to erase any part of your drawing, for that using eraser tool. Eyedropper, or you can say that color picker tool, to pick the color from the already color drawing. Which color we have filled in the already color drawing, same color you want to fill in other drawing, for that we are using color picker tool. Magnifier tool, next is the magnifier, to enlarge the part of your drawing. If you want to see your drawing in enlarged or large shape, for that we are using magnifier tool. In shape group, we are using different shape like line tool, curve tool, oval tool, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle, polygon, triangle. Different tools are given in the shape tool. Now come back to the point. We have discussed pencil tool, that is the drawing tool for making beautiful drawing, or for freehand drawing we are using pencil tool. Fill with color tool, you can see here again, to fill the color in your drawing we are using fill with color. Brushes, with the help of brushes we can draw and color also. Shape tool, to draw any shape in the drawing area. To draw any shape on the drawing area, we are using different shapes. To fill the color in the drawing, we are using color box, to pick the color from the color box. With the help of fill with color tool, we fill the color in your drawing. Now next here, brushes, I said, for we start with the brushes. Brush tool work like the painting brush you use to the paint on your drawing sheet. As you do color on your drawing sheet with the help of color or brushes, in the same way, if you want to fill the color or draw in the drawing on the drawing area in paint, for that we are using different brushes. Different brushes are given over there, with different brush size are also given over there. You can see here, first brush is here, the name of the brush is brush. Second one is calligraphy brush. Second one is calligraphy brush 2. Next one is airbrush. Next one is oil brush. Next one is your crayon colors brush. Next is marker. Next one is your natural pencil, and the last brush is your watercolor brush. Just for example, I will take airbrush. Airbrush, after selecting, you can choose their size also, how much thickness of the line you want. Just have selected first thickness, you can see here. When I will select first, in the same way again I have selected the airbrush, I have choose the thickness this. Now you can see here the thickness of the brush get changed with the size button. I think all of you clear how to select the tool and how to change their thickness. Now again I will tell you how to use the brush. I will create a new drawing. Click the mouse pointer on the brush tool to select it. Click the mouse pointer on the brush tool to select it. Select the mouse pointer on brush tool to select it. Select any brush from the brushes given over there. And now I have selected the simple brush. Click the size, then choose a brush size. Click on the size button, choose the brush size which determines the thickness of the brush. And click and drag the mouse in the direction you want to give a shape to the object. In this way you can create your drawing with the help of brush tool. After drawing, leave the mouse button. In the same way you can draw any drawing with the help of different brushes. Choose brush from the brushes and their size from the size button and draw your drawing with the help of mouse. After drawing, just leave the mouse button. I think all of you clear how to create a drawing with the help of brushes and how to start MS Paint and what is paint. Again we will discuss, just recapitulate all the points. What is paint? Paint is a drawing and coloring program in MS Window. It helps you to draw and color just the way you do in your drawing sheet. And how to start paint and how to open paint, click on the start button on the keyboard given over there. Then click on the search bar. In the search bar you have to type MS Paint or Paint. After typing, press enter key. Now we have discussed different tools given in your ribbon. Then from this tools we have discussed brushes. Different brushes are given over there in the brushes. Just select the brush and draw the drawing. Select the brush and draw a drawing on the drawing area with the help of brushes and choose the thickness for your brush from the size button. Thank you class. Rest of the topic we will discuss in your next class.